Start with the great name of Allah, who is the most Rahman and Rahim, the most Qadir and Kareem. This is Babar Ali, student of third year Department of Computer Science, and today my topic is Calculus and Analytical Geometry, supervised by Sanaullah Bhutto. And these are the contents which we will discuss about function, in which we will discuss odd function, even function, and product function, and then trigonometry identities, limit, derivation of trigonometric function. So first of all, we will discuss about the function. Function an expression, rule, or law that defines a relationship between one variable, the independent variable, and another variable, the dependent variable. Functions are ubiquitous in mathematics and are essential for formulating physical relationships in the sciences. The modern definition of function was first given in 1837 by the German mathematician Peter Dirichlet. Independent variable. If a variable is y, so related to a variable x is that whenever a numerical value is assigned to x, there is a value according to which a unique value of y is determined, then y is said to be a function of the independent variable x. Dependent variable. A dependent variable is a variable that represents a quantity that changes based on other quantities being manipulated in an experiment. An independent variable represents a quantity that is being manipulated directly in the context of a function. The independent variables are the inputs to the function and the dependent variables are the outputs of the function. Domain and range of function is a set of values which you are allowed to put into the function. So all of the values that x can take, the range of the function is the set of all values that the function can take. In other words, all of the possible values of y when y is equal to f of x. So if y is equal to x into 2, we can choose the domain to be all of the real numbers. The range is all of the real numbers greater than or equal to 0, since if y is equal to x for 2, y cannot be negative. Odd function. F of x is set to odd function if x is minus x is equal to minus f of x, then f of x is called odd function. Example of odd function. Even function. F of x is said to be even function of f minus x is equal to f of x, then f of x is called even function. And here is the example of even function. Rule of odd or even function. Even and even is equal to even, and odd into odd is equal to odd. But when odd comes first and even comes second, then it will be odd. But when even comes first and odd on second, it will be even. Periodic function. F of x is said to be periodic function if f x plus p is equal to f of x, then f of x is called function of period. Example of periodic function. Trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities are equalities that involve trigonometric functions and are true for every value of the occurring variables where both sides of the equality are defined geometrically. These are identities involving certain functions of one or more angles. Limit. This is a partial overview of the idea of a limit in mathematics. For still more specific uses of limit, see limit of sequence and limit of a function. In mathematics, a limit is the value that a function or sequence approaches as the input or index. Approaches some value. Limit are essential to calculus and mathematical analysis in general and are used to define continuity, derivatives, and integrals in formulas. A limit of a function is usually written as and is read as the limit of f of x as x approaches c equals L. The fact that a function f approaches the limit L as x approaches c is sometimes denoted by a right arrow, as in derivation of trigonometric function. The derivative of a function is one of the basic concepts of mathematics. Together with the integral, derivative occupies a central place in calculus. The process of finding the derivative is called differentiation. The inverse operation of differentiation is called integration. Let f of x be a function whose domain contains an open interval about some point x0, then the function f of x is said to be differentiable at x0 minus and the derivative of f of x at xo. Example of derivative of sin x. The derivative of f of x is equal to sin x is given by the derivative of cos x. The derivative of f of x is equal to cos x is given by derivative of tan x. The derivative of f of x is equal to tan x is given by. Example, derivative of cot x. The derivative of f of x is equal to cot x is given by derivative of f of x sec x tan x is given by. Thank you.